Can we get the fluffies out? Can we get them out? Wow. There's one. If you be good, I'll give you a treat, okay? You love it and you hate it, don't you? Oh my goodness. You're so pretty and so mean at the same time. Shh, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Shh, you're okay. Look at all that hair, dude. Can we make a Gronky pillow? Lay down. You're not scaring anybody. You're not scaring anybody, okay? You lay back down. You lay down. You're fine. Let me get all these. We good? Let me shake. Oh, you're good.